Welcome back to Auto World. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated supercars of the year, the return of an American legend. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 Dodge Viper. After years of speculation, Dodge has finally unleashed the new Viper, and it's more aggressive, more powerful, and more refined than ever. Stick around as we explore its jaw-dropping design, insane performance, and what makes it a true icon reborn. The 2025 Dodge Viper is a masterpiece of aerodynamic engineering. Its long hood, wide stance, and signature side exhausts pay homage to its classic roots, while sharp lines and modern LED lighting give it a futuristic edge. The front end features an aggressive grille with the iconic Viper emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that pierce through the night. And these air vents, they're not just for show, they channel air to cool the beast under the hood. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Viper is powered by an all-new 8.4-liter V10 engine, producing a mind-blowing 750 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This monster goes from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of 210 miles per hour. Dodge engineers have also enhanced the suspension and aerodynamics, making this Viper a track beast while still being street legal. And for those who crave even more, there's an optional ACR package that includes upgraded brakes, a massive rear wing, and track-ready tires. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The 2025 Viper features premium Alcantara seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents throughout. The centerpiece is a 10.1-inch touchscreen loaded with Dodge's latest Uconnect system, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and customizable performance settings. So, how much does the 2025 Dodge Viper cost? The base model starts at $110,000, but with additional packages and customization options, it can climb north of $150,000. Production is limited, so if you want one, act fast. The 2025 Dodge Viper is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of raw power, bold design, and American engineering at its finest. Whether you're a fan of supercars or just love adrenaline-pumping performance, the Viper delivers on every front. Thanks for tuning into Auto World. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the hottest cars. Let us know in the comments, would you take the 2025 Dodge Viper for a spin? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.